How to fix rate limit exceeded on X. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix rate limit exceeded on X. Now, X places limits on the number of requests that can be made to help manage the volume of requests from developers. These limits are based on time intervals such as 15 minutes. Now, if you are facing the problem of rate limit exceeded on X, the first thing that you can do is wait for the time limit to elapse. This is when the limit is time-based. You can try again after the limit has passed. For example, if you hit your post limit of 2400 updates per day, you can try again in a few hours. Next thing you want to do is optimize your application code. You can try making fewer requests or retrying requests. You can also check your usage statistics in order to prevent future problems like this. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.